Are you excited for our new apartment?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Done. So we should have
Done
it, I don't know, soon. I don't know when.
One big long balcony.
Oh, that's okay. Oh, sure.
Yeah.
Do we need shoes?
It's your shoes?
Yes, please.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. 16. This one should be 12.
Yeah, so 16.
Wow. Washing machine. It's just a washing machine.
Yeah, we'll use that space, wouldn't we? That's the view.
We could. You could definitely. Can we go in now?
Is this?
Absolutely, so you can stay inside. Yeah, that's the big room.
Oh, this one only one bedroom.
Yes, one bedroom.
Oh.
Yeah.
Cô ông nghỉ về công em đó. Hôm trước là tôi đi xuống Sơn Đường, xuống người Nghệ An. Cô quen không?
This one, this one.
This one's quite spacious.
Yeah. Wow, this is nice and big. We used to live near the Pearl Apartments. The balcony is nice. Big. Yeah.
I think mostly women.
Yeah, he likes it too.
I don't mind a bath.
Yourself?
Yeah, very relaxing, good for your body. Yeah, it seems nice.
Oh, I remember.
So 3 balcony, one
Wow.
living room and one in per bedroom.
Yeah, this balcony is really nice. But that's okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Wow. This is nice.
When you have some visitor or your friend or your relative and
Yeah.
So I think we have a long time no
Oh
one,
my God.
no one come here
Is
to.
there something dead?
Yeah.
Just a dead cockroach, that's okay. And no TV though.
They will put the one.
They'll put it in?
Yeah.
This is an interesting.
Yes.
So this is like Chinese restaurant.
So
Oh,
we just,
yeah.
talk about the.
The decor is a bit.
Yeah, you said it was a bit more kind of old fashioned.
Is it interesting?
It's pretty big.
Oh my god.
Three? Oh, 3-bedroom.
It's a 3-bedroom for 12 million.
I think it's more cheaper. Maybe the security give the wrong key.
Oh.
So I think 16
Oh,
or maybe
okay.
18, from 16 to 18.
With 3 bedrooms, wow.
Yeah. 3 bedrooms is a lot. We only need one. I was saying we only need.
So many bathrooms.
I know.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
You could take that bookshelf or move it into this room.
I suppose so. A little smaller TV, but
This is a big sofa.
very big sofa, yeah.
Oh, there's a swimming pool. Or is that not ours? Not for here.
Yeah, dog didn't like us. They've all got those bidet style toilets. I think it's not for us.
There's a washing machine.
Yeah, it's a bit tighter than the other one, wasn't it?
There's a little balcony thing.
We have the
The
view best.
Yeah, that's okay.
This is smart TV.
Yeah, it's really
sofa
nice.
and sofa back.
Yeah, that's nice.
Oh, it's a sofa bed. Cool. The bathroom looks it's okay. There's no window in there again, so you know. Gym's nice.
Yeah, we've seen this.
Yeah.
A little gym machine included.
Yeah. Oh, cool. The pool is really nice.
Yes.
Nice view. I think you can see landmarks. Oh no, not from
The
here.
map is this way.
Oh, is that? Oh. Yeah. that into the bathroom. Oh, there's a little balcony as well. I guess this is the pool for Tropic Garden,
Yeah.
and there's the gym for Tropic Garden. Yeah, no TV in this pool.
Yeah.
But the kitchen,
This one's more like a studio balcony.
the kitchen is like nice and long, and look, it comes with toaster oven and microwave. We're more of a fan of the three balconies.
So we're just leaving this apartment behind us here. We thought it was going to be a really good option, serviced apartment, good facilities, pool, gym, 2 bedrooms, everything we wanted. But as soon as we arrived, the agent said somebody came and put a deposit on it this morning.
Already.
So we missed it already. We saw a few other options. I think they don't quite fit, but I guess we keep thinking about it, keep our eyes and ears open for other apartments, and
Yeah.
hopefully we find the one that's right for us.
Fingers crossed.
This is the 3rd floor apartment that we're considering. Same layout with the desk. This is the master bedroom with all the appliances. We're just checking things like check the gas, check the fridge freezer. We're checking. Has it got water?
No.
Do you want to check things like shower?
I just checked. But it doesn't go hot. Look. Stops at hot.
And this would be the 2nd bedroom where we could probably set up our desk in the corner, move some things around. It's also got a nice view. If I look out the door, I can never open. Another nice view of Landmark 81, the 2nd bedroom. So we've just been checking out the 3rd floor apartment. We're actually looking at the 4th floor, but we're doing some things like doing some internet speed tests to check it, since that's really important for us when we're working. And we're just checking things like check the water pressure, check the Wi-Fi and other things like that. Got a really nice view behind me. So there was a bit of an annoyance in that originally we looked at the apartments on the 4th floor, but the agent said that the landlord only wants to give us the 3rd floor, 1 floor down, this apartment for the same price. So it's basically the same, a little bit lower, which might be a little bit noisier or not quite as good view, but I think it's okay. And we're just checking things like the water pressure. The taps weren't really working too well, so we're just getting the maintenance guy to take a look at it and check if everything's going to be okay. We've got power on both sides of the bed over here. We could probably move the other drawer in there, right?
Yeah, and you can also work from this desk if you wanted.
Yeah, it doesn't like the hot water.
Yeah.
It's strong if it's on cold. But when you put it on hot, then you lose the pressure. Test out the comfiness of the bed.
Done. So we should have
Done.
it, I don't know, soon. I don't know when.
So we like the apartment. The landlord said they're going to fix the few things that's wrong with it, and just sent a little deposit to the landlord, 5 million. That's about £150, $200, just to secure it. And then when it comes to moving day, which we want to do next weekend, then we'll pay the first month's rent and the rest of the deposit, and everything should be good. So that was good news. We're pretty happy with the apartment and everything went pretty smoothly. So that's good to see. We're excited for the next apartment.
You forget the landlord when we give the 2 keys.
2 keys, yeah. We even got some plants in our
Some poolway greenery. Thank you. Woohoo!
Then we can check out the bakery.
Are you excited for our new apartment?
Yeah.
Yeah. Only 3 months contract. I think that would be good to tide us over. I think we really want to get to Bali soon, but we need the new apartment for 3 months. That one should tick all the boxes so we can live there, and it should be nicer, explore a new area. Last kids. Yay, exciting. We're just waiting to get a receipt for the deposit that we paid, so everything's secure.
Today you put deposit 5 million Việt Nam đồng.
Yeah.
And you term of contract 3 months.
I will take the picture and send to my friend, and we will give back.
Great. So we've signed all of the documents and stuff now. We've just sorted that apartment. We had one little sticky issue at the end because they wrote $650 USD rental price. And so I asked them, what's that in VND? Let's write it on the contract. And they said, oh, it's 15.3 million, which is way above the market rate, which is 14.8 million right now. So it was a bit of a sticky issue, but we settled about in the middle at 15 million flat. So I think that's okay. It's just good to have got it sorted. Are you excited for the apartment?
Yeah, I'm excited. I mean, like, some things are going to be way better, the balconies, the natural light, and just being in a quieter area. But of course, we're a bit further from the center of Thao Dien. But I mean, that's fine. We've lived there for 2 years, so.
Yeah, it'd be nice for a change. Some pros and cons, but we had to do it, and I think it'll be a bit exciting.
Yeah, so I think 3 months here is going to be fine.
Sounds good. So we've got a week to pack up, and I think we need to arrange to get a tuk-tuk or a big cab that will take us all of our stuff. We're going to move in on Saturday of next week, so we'll take you with you for that. And in the meantime, just like the last video, if you want to check out the apartment that we're living in right now for $500, you can check this video up here. And otherwise, there'll be some kind of playlist down here. You can watch some more content. So thanks very much, guys.
Don't forget to give it a thumbs up.
See you next time. Bye.